Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Edge, but what we'll be doing here actually will apply to Lincoln MKX as well, guys. First generation Ford Edge and Lincoln MKX. We will show you guys how to remove or how to replace rear door panel. We'll demonstrate on the rear left, but the rear right, guys, it's exactly the same way as well. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, we make at least 200 videos. Why, guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. That's all we need in return. If you guys need to buy any of the tools that we use, any replacement parts, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys. We'll try to share all that with you. This is a 2009 Ford Edge that we're talking about, but Lincoln MKX will be exactly the same way. So if you come towards the rear door, let me show you now. This is, guys, your door panel. We'll demonstrate on the rear left, but the rear right will be the same way as well, guys. The same way. Now, what we need to do, we need to get a small flat head screwdriver. We need to open one cap in the interior door handle right there. Once we do that, okay, we need a small Torx. Okay, let me find it somewhere here, guys. Torx 20 star looking bit. Okay, I think it's this one right there. Perfect. Go ahead and remove this one now. All the way. Okay, great. Guys, what we need to do, we need to get a plastic panel remover too. We need to remove that cover for the interior door handle. Okay, just like that. You can see, came out. Now, what else, guys, we need to do? We need to go ahead, okay, and remove another bolt right there with 732 socket, guys. There is one screw hidden in the door handle. Go ahead and pull that thing out all the way. Perfect. You can see it's out. Now we have a few more screws that we need to remove in order to be able to pull the door panel out. Okay, Phillips head screwdriver, and here we have one screw, one on the bottom, perfect. Now we probably have some underneath, guys, and we most likely, okay, we have two underneath, guys, that we need to remove as well. One towards the front. Okay, perfect. Now we have two more. Okay, one Phillips screw right here and one towards the top. So you can see we got all of those out. Now, good thing about that door panel is not held in place by too many clips, maybe 3 or 4, I think probably 3, because you can see how many screws we had, so that's a good thing. Now, we'll get a plastic panel remover too. Get underneath somewhere, pry, okay, and pull up, come out of the lock, and now we need to disconnect the switch, guys, okay, the window switch, right there. Press in, pull out. Now let us show you where all the clips are located, guys. One clip, two clips, okay, I think here, maybe that's a clip too, let me see, well, maybe not. So, not very many clips, guys, as you can see, that hold the door panel in place. So that's how you guys remove rear door panel on Ford Edge or Lincoln MKX. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, more help, free information, and see you guys next time.